Crypto bubbles shows us that on every time frame, there are meme coins that are dominating the market. Every time frame, meme coins are taking over. That's where the money is. You have to follow the money. If you don't follow the money, then you are gonna be missing out on a lot of stuff. Today, I want us to talk about meme coins, how we can trade these meme coins and make passive income. Yeah, you get me right. Trade meme coins and make passive income. And I have a different way of doing this, and I'm going to share with you guys everything today so that you are going to be exposed to how the whales go about, big players go about making money in this space, and how you can also copy the same strategy and make something good for yourself. If you are new on my platform, you are watching the Returns Crypto. I'm always excited coming here live to share with you guys stuff that are going on in the market, how you can help yourself, build something from this Vutak space. There's a lot of opportunity in the crypto space, and if says you are able to grab something from that opportunity, I think it can change your life, change your family lives, and the life of everyone around you. This is crucial, and I've been in this industry for some time now, and I've decided to document my journey from the time I started. I've been doing videos long time about cryptocurrency from the day I started. So you can go and watch my previous videos to see how far I've become in this space and how far I'm gonna go still. So if say this sort of content help you, interest you, then you wanna go right now and at least subscribe to my platform. By the way, if say you wanna watch some of my videos, or wait till the end of this video before you subscribe, they're fine. But I think if say you want to be ahead of the curve, to always understand when to take out profit, when to buy, market structure, how to follow the money, then I think this is the platform for you. So you're gonna subscribe right now. All right, guys, having said all this good stuff, let's dive into what I got for you today.
I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no, I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up, it's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better.
Again, as I mentioned earlier, with crypto bubbles, you can see exactly what is happening in the market from the top 100 coins to the top 1,000 coins. So you can start with any time frame. If you go to the time frame of, let's say, hourly time frame, you see that there are meme coins here that are doing well, like Floki. If you go to the daily time frame, you're gonna see also that there are meme coins like Bong is doing well for the day. Also, Floki is doing well. If you go to the weekly time frame, see that Bong is also there. Whiff is there, and let's see a couple of coins that are there as well, which are meme coins. If you go to the monthly time frame, you're gonna see these are from the top 100 coins. You can see Brett is there on the monthly time frame. So on every time frame, there are coins that are doing so well, and these coins are outperforming Bitcoin. So if say you are holding this coin, then you are making more Bitcoin. And I'm gonna share with you guys, how I go about, buying and selling, into Bitcoin, or selling my Bitcoin to buy any coin out there. I'm gonna show you guys how I like what am I looking at before I make that decision. So you can go to the top 200, yeah, on crypto bubbles. You're gonna see that meme coins are gonna still be there. You can see Popcat is there. You can go to the and go to the top 300. You're gonna see the same thing, that there are gonna be meme coins doing well. You can see these meme coins are there as well. I mean, guys, we can keep on doing this and doing that. You're gonna see that meme coins are doing well. So I think meme coins are where the big players, the whales, that's where they are, cashing out their profit to go and pump. to help some people and wreck some other people. Because like, come to think of it, when you see people making money like that with meme coins, they're making money from someone else. And when they dump that project, then that those who bought it late are gonna be the ones that are gonna be crying, in the end. So I think if say you need to be part of a community, then you need to be part of a community that's going to help you on how to identify which coin can get to the billion market cap and which coin can get to zero. Of course, usually you cannot. It's not like black and white that you can just switch like that and go straight away to say, oh, this coin can do this. But there are a couple of stuff you can look at to give you that go ahead. Now, as always, I'm gonna begin with Bitcoin. I'm gonna see what Bitcoin is doing because I am trading these altcoins to make Bitcoin. So I must look at what Bitcoin is doing always when I get to the market before I can go to those altcoins, meme coins to see what they are doing. So let's get to the alpha. What is the alpha doing? Now we are looking at the alpha on the 4 hours time frame. We can see clearly that we have been in a downtrend for a while now, and you see price has been moving below this moving average here. This is the 50-day moving average, and we have seen price broke and hold above the 50-day moving average on the 4 hours time frame, which is good. And we can see, if I zoom out a little bit, you can see that price is seen above also, now, okay, now in between the 5-day and the 13-day EMA, and you can see above we have the 200-day in EMA and the Betong moving average. This is it, yeah. So to me, I think that the next target for Bitcoin is to hit this, either of these moving averages. Either we're gonna see it hit this moving average, that is a 200-day moving average on the 4 hours time frame, or this one year, which is gonna take Bitcoin to about $69,000. And if I take this back, let me give you guys something I'm looking at here. Looking at this, the alpha trend, you can see where the alpha trend printed this sell signal. I always say to you guys that when we see a buy signal, the take out profit should be where the alpha trend created a sell signal in the first place before the market started going down. And now we have seen that the alpha trend has created a buy signal. So the target is here around, let's say, around 69,000 or $70,000. We're gonna see Bitcoin go there. If this is gonna be a reversal, like reversal, and the only moment we're gonna be skeptical is when Bitcoin is not able to go and break above 70 or start trading above $70,000. So looking at this structure right now, I would say that we have broken structure, not actually per se like this one year, but this one year, which has formed at least something like a W formation here. I think we might see a huge spike of Bitcoin to the upside. Now, the reason why I'm saying this always, I always say that, like, I want to, talk about Bitcoin. I talk about Bitcoin because I want us to look at where those other altcoins might go. If Bitcoin is doing well, most of these altcoins, meme coins, are gonna like way to the upside. Like they're gonna do so well. So it's reasonable that you look at Bitcoin to give you the signal to buy any other altcoin out there. So let's keep doing this. Let's keep looking at this. Now, looking at this, I will say that you want to already look at your altcoins, right? Like, I don't know which altcoin you're holding, but look at your altcoin and see if, say, they are doing the same thing as what Bitcoin is doing on higher time frame. And the reason why I see this on higher time frame is gonna be you're gonna tie to how I go about taking out passive income, like making passive income investing in this coin. I look at higher time frame, and as the price keep going up, with different coins that I'm buying, this one today is gonna bomb, the next one the other is gonna bomb, so every day I'm cashing out profit. So those profits are my passive income because I'm gonna go invest it back again, in the market, and keep building my portfolio, or keep building my capital and my investment capital or my trading capital. So if we go now to this chart, you can see what I mentioned, that we might see Bitcoin go right up to $72,000. This is still the 4 hours time frame, but now let's look at this on the daily time frame. Let's see what's going on here on the daily time frame. So looking at this on the daily time frame, is somehow reasonable to say maybe we can still come right down to $42,000 or $52,000, right, for Bitcoin. You can see these zones here, and they are pretty decent zones that I've marked. And I think price is still in this position. We can see price come here and bounce back, or price can go straight away to $42,000 where the POC is looking at this volume profile. But let's stick on the 4 hours time frame, because on the 4 hours time frame we can see some sort of momentum, and you can see where the POC is around 69,700, and is closer to where the alpha trend created the sell signal, and we have seen a buy signal here. So we should expect price to move, I think, at least the POC, which is around $69,000, and if possible, price move forward towards 100K per Bitcoin. So this is important. Now, let's confirm this with the heat map. Looking at the heat map, you can see that on like the daily time frame, this yellowish area, they can push price there. I mean, the market makers can push price there, which is around now. I'm looking at $64,000 per Bitcoin, or they can take price to 62,200. I think where they want to take price now is above. So let's go to the weekly time frame to see, okay, what might happen for the next 7 days, And looking at this, you can see clearly that we don't have much liquidity like above. So if say price break this zone, we're gonna see a huge run to the upside, huge run. But we have some yeah, which is not really giving us something, because I don't think price is gonna come like straight away down here, right? But I think price is gonna go straight away to the upside. Looking at the 2 weeks time frame, we can clearly see what price might do. You can see we have more liquidity to the upside than to the downside. So I think they're gonna push price more to the upside long term, because we are looking at 4 days time frame, which is more of long term, not short term. Now, if say you haven't yet followed me on X, go follow me on X. This is my X platform. I'm really excited to have you guys follow me on X. I share stuff. You can see I'm live. I share stuff every now and then. You can say I share the chat of Trump coin, and also this one, So go and check out um my X platform and follow me there. And also, those of you who want to be part of my community, you want to trade Bitcoin, you can trade Bitcoin on Bitunix, no KYC. You can join my VIP group if say you want to get my buy and sell alert. Also, you can, if say you want portfolio management, you can join still my Telegram group. And if say you are an absolute beginner, this link is for you. Be part of it, so I can help you from scratch. And if say you want a one-on-one call with me, you can book this. Go down to my calendar and book a free 15 minutes time with me, so we can discuss and talk on how, like, what kind of, like, go through what kind of challenges you are facing, and how I can help you. So there's a lot of stuff here on my link tree that you can go and select what fits you. Now let's move to the meme section. So this is the meme section, and I have a couple of charts that I want to show you, that I think they can really do well. This is Degen. Degen is on base, and the the chart of Degen looks somehow great. You can see ever since we saw this huge spike to the upside, price has come back there down where, yeah. So for us to be able to confirm that this coin really is gonna survive, then we're gonna see we should start seeing some sort of buying pressure, because right now price is if I bring in, let me show you guys something. If I bring in let me try to see if I can plug this properly on the volume profile. Is this one? Yeah, not that one. I think, let's see, this one. No, nope, nope, zero, not zero. I'm gonna do this some other time, but I wanted to see if, say, let me see, not that one, not that one. Anyway, usually I would have seen another line, yeah. So this line would have been really like a place where you could have been DCAing or buying, if like buying the dip, if this project it was gonna be a good project, like if the investors were to reverse back price. Now, the reason why I have just these lines here is because These zones are zones that usually when price get in, we see most investors get on board, or most traders get on board, because they are thinking maybe if price keep holding this zone here, and price break above the POC and the golden pocket, this area, this zone here is a golden pocket. If price break the golden pocket, which is this the 0.618 zone, then maybe we can see price get or target the next levels, which is going to be the zero point 0.5 or the 0.382 zone. So right now, what we want to see here for DGen, like if say you want to already buy this coin, this is what you want to see. You want to see price get here first, you know, then you want to see price hold this zone here. That's this you are buying it here, and that's where I'm buying, and the target is going to be here. So if say we see a huge move like this for DGen, we see a huge move like this for DGen towards this area, I think we're gonna see some sort of reversal. Or if say we see price just break straight away, we're gonna see a huge volume stopping volume candle come down here, but it's gonna be quick, and maybe you might want to start thinking of, okay, if say price does this, maybe you can place a limit order. Right, and if say you want to place a limit order, you can do this with a bot. I'm gonna share with you guys the bots I'm using, so you can easily copy the same thing that I'm doing. And also, if say you want to get most of the bots, they are found at the description of this video. But this is a perfect structure, guys. I always love to trade pullback. When you trade pullback, it means that you are going to be buying at the right time, because these guys, they can push a price. I mean, the market makers, they can push a price, or the wheels can push a price like that. And if say price respects your TA, then that's when you're buying. That's where you're buying it, and the target should be the previous high. Usually, yeah, above this. But I usually want to get out here, because I think that if price break above here, it's gonna come back there to retest it because of this level. So that's what I'm looking at for DGen. DGen is on base. So if say you want to trade this coin on base, then make sure you wait for this structure to play out for you to do that. This other one is BSB. It's another coin on base, and the structure also is almost similar to what I just showed you guys. Yeah, showed you, but this one is different in the sense that you can see this area. Yeah, price has been respecting this zone. You can see price came back again, and we are seeing this buyback. So if say this coin keep playing here, like playing around this zone for a long time, and we are seeing some sort of divergence, then I think price is gonna get back to that level. So what you want to do is, or how you want to trade this coin, or is you gonna apply the same strategy. Wait for price to break this zone. When price break that zone, wait for pullback. That's when you're buying it. So this is the area you're gonna buy it, and when you buy it, take it right up to where the previous high. So this is a zone, and if say you get here, usually I always say to people that when you get here, if you're trading that coin, don't hold it. You can maybe sell part of it, some of it. If say you really want to cash out some profit, sell some of it, but you are going to buy back again without profit only when you see something like this happens. When you see when price get here, price will reject. Why? You can see this is some sort of like an area where traders, or most of the people investing in this coin, want to cash out profit. They want to sell. So you can see price went there before the sold. It came back there, the sold. It attempted the sold. It attempted, yeah, the sold. It went back there again, the sold. So this is an important zone for price. And also, yeah, this zone here, you can see price came here multiple times. This is the golden pocket. Price respected this golden pocket multiple times. It came here, it bounced, and finally it break. So for us to confirm that this coin is going to be bullish again, this is BSB. Price must break above that line. We're going to see this with a huge volume. I'm not seeing any huge volume here. You can see there was a good volume here. So we're going to see a huge volume, price break, and price should hold back the zone here as price did here. So this is where you're buying. If price trade here multiple times, if you see multiple rejection like 1, 2, 3 on lower time frame, you can, if this is on daily time frame, you can go on lower time frame to see if say price is gonna do that. Right. So I think, like guys, meme coin can make you so much money if you know what you're doing. If you understand some sort of TA, don't like usually. I don't want to rush and snipe these coins. I'm not that kind of a guy who have so much money in bots. I want to play the safe game, allow the market makers, the whales to make their profit, and I want to see if they love the coin by looking at the liquidity, looking at the volume. If say the volume maintained and certain levels are being respected, then I'm gonna now start saying, okay, this could be the coin that can get to 1 billion, 2 billion, of 10 billion market cap, because these big whales are gonna still be there holding their back. I also do on-chain analysis. I've been studying this recently, and I've been getting good at it. So it helps me to also see at what investors are doing, and what like the whales, those who hold most of the supply, what they are doing, their wallets, and so on and so forth. I'm able to see all of this stuff. So the next coin that I have here for you guys is Andy. Andy is a very good coin, that I think, I mean, this Andy is on base. This I'm talking about now. These coins are on base coin, base chain coins. You can see this structure here. What I mentioned to you guys, price has broken this structure. I bought some Andy here. I sold it here. Why? Because I knew that gonna be pullback. But if say we have to bring in, let me zoom. Let me put this to full so we can see this clearly. If we have to do what I did with the other, charts, I'm gonna bring in this Fibonacci retracement tool. Yeah, I take it from the bottom, yeah, to the top. I want to see where the golden pocket is and where price is. You can see this one also with Andy. Price has been respecting structure, and we are in a zone now for that I think is similar to what I just showed you guys with the other project. You can see price. You look at this huge candle, but there wasn't any real volume. That's why you are seeing it, doing this. But now this is where I want to buy Andy. If say Andy is able to hold this, if this candle is not going to close, come right down here. Of course, it can come right down, but it should hold. It shouldn't go below. But if this candle hold this zone here, this area here, this area, this zone where the golden pocket is, and we're going to see a huge buy back to the upside, I'm going to buy the retest. So this is what I want to see. If same price hold this zone, I want to see it like on lower time frame, something like this, then I'm gonna buy here. Then take it right up, because I think this project is somehow also good. If we zoom in, you're gonna see that they have now 50 million market cap, and they have 550K liquidity locked. So I think to an extent it might be something great, because the Andy on Ethereum or other thing. Let me see how many Andy that are available out there. I think there are many Andys. Let's see. Andy. Oops. My laptop is somehow freezing now. Let's see how many Andy we have. There are so many Andy. I think we have Andy here, Andy on Ethereum, yeah, on PancakeSwap, on Radium. So there are many Andy. Yeah, you can see. So yeah, so this one is on base. The reason why I chose Andy on base is because the base network is still young, and I think most of the coin there on the base network are gonna do well. So Andy on base is gonna be doing well as well. So that's why I decided to invest on Andy, or chat Andy. Guys, these coins, meme coins, can take like a day. They can 1x your portfolio, and you cash out profit. You wait for the next meme, the next one. So that's how you make passive income. Let me see if say I have some questions. Yeah. Ask Jen, hey bro, check out bot. It's currently around price. Okay, let me check out bot. Let me see. I had bot here before, but I didn't really. Let me see which bot is talking about. Let's see. It's pretty. Okay, bot on base. We have bot on base. Let me check out this one. I think this one have the most liquidity. And it's up already 20% today. The past 24 hours, board is up 20%. Oh boy, let's see. It has 2.8 million market cap. we are okay. Let's chart this coin, and maybe it can be a coin for us to look at. Let me look at the top. Okay, the holders, they have 60,000. Guys, this is another thing I want to show you guys. If you see a coin above the 39,000, like if the holders are above 39,000, 20,000, well, let's say from 20,000 above, you want to take that coin seriously. If there are many holders and the volume is high, like, yeah, I don't see more volume here. Of course, it's good, but I want to see above 1 million volume. Then I'm gonna start like, okay, maybe I can trade this. But for now, we're not seeing it yet. Now, so let's just go quickly and chart this. Let's see what's going on. We are looking at this on the daily time frame. The first thing you do is go to your Fibonacci retracement tool, take it from the bottom to the top, right up to that area. You're gonna see the zones here. Now, price has left that zone. So what you are waiting for board, you say you really wanna like confirm that this coin is back in life, back to life. You have to confirm that it's back to life, because movement like this, it has to break structure, and the only way you can confirm that this coin has broken structure is when the coin come back to this zone, then hold this area or somehow do something like this. It holds, then you are buying it knowing that investors are back on board, or yeah, investors are back on board. But right now, even though it has done 20% for the day, you cannot really gamble with this. It already has pumped, but you cannot guarantee if say it's gonna pump again, except you are an insider who knows the team, you knows the whales who are investing in the coin. But if you have not got this information, like me, I don't know this coin, I don't have no insider. I have to rely on the chart, on price action, and price action gives me a clear vision of what investors are doing, and I can go on chain also and see what is going on. So this is how you do stuff, not only with meme coin, any coin out there. You need to understand that, but any coin that respect TA are good coin. If a coin respect TA, not always, but at least it should respect TA most of the time. And if it does, it means that those who are in it are real traders and real investors. That's what I've come to conclude with my experience in this space. So that's board for you. And yeah, usually I stream for 25 for 30 minutes, and I'm already live now for 27 minutes. So yeah, I think I've done everything that I wanted to show you guys. Just make sure you are doing the right thing. And if say you want to trade these coins again, you can trade this coin using a bot. I trade this coin using bot, and most of the bots I use, let me share with you guys some of the bots I use here. This is my Telegram. These are the bots I have. So many of them. I use Trojan to trade on Solana. Guys, the links are found below this video. I use Auto Simulator, to scan, like to scan rock pools, or to find out if say a coin on the base network is good or bad. I don't have time to go on chain, even though I can do it manually. But this bot helps me to scan to it instantly, and gives me a proper analysis of that coin, the liquidity, if say the means authority is on or off, if say the coin has been sniped by snipers, if like how many percentage of the liquidity is being held by the team, the dev, and so on. So I want to see all of this. And if say the person who or the dev has rocked other project, I can see all of this if I use this auto simulator. This is for base coin. The other one is Soul Scanner. This is for Solana coins, and Trojan is a trading bot. I've been using it to trade Flux bot, or maybe base bot. Guys, the links are found below this video. If you want to trade with that with the bot, make sure you have Telegram. These are all Telegram bot, and use my link. When you trade, I want to get some percentage. That's a way also to support this channel and support the community, like the bot community. And this Gazprom is a new website that I'm going through. I plan to launch my own coin, but it's not going to be a meme coin. It's going to be a community coin, and there's going to be a lot of utility for that coin. It's going to be based on what I'm doing. It's not going to be early. It's going to be something that something I'm still working on. I want to do it right, and it's gonna be there for a long time because I'm here long time. I'm not gonna go anywhere. Crypto is where I'm gonna build my $1 billion. So I'm not gonna run and go somewhere else. This is where I'm gonna make my by billions. Yeah. All right, guys. Yeah, that's it for today. I don't have much to say to you. Yeah, I think I have one last thing to say to you. Go and crush it. Go and apply what I've mentioned on this video. You might not understand everything. Comment below what you don't understand. Tell me what else you want me to cover on this platform. What else you want me to share with you guys about crypto to help you to really make better decisions as you embark in this journey. I'm here to make money, but I want to also help others out there who have little or no knowledge to, follow me. It's not to follow the same thing I'm doing or to, learn from someone who have been there for a long time, you know. So that's it. That's all I can say to you. See you in the next video. Ciao.
I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe